Let's review Lewis structures by drawing the Lewis structure for formaldehyde. CH2O. First I need to determine the connectivity. The carbon atom here is going to go in the middle. Hydrogens each only form one bond, and then that leaves the oxygen over here. Let's count up the number of electrons. Carbon has 4 valence electrons, and each one of the hydrogens has 1 electron. There are 2 of them, so that makes 2 electrons for the 2 hydrogens. And then oxygen has 6. That gives us 12 electrons. The bonds I've drawn thus far use 2, 4, 6 electrons. So I have 6 more electrons to place. Let's put 2 pairs on the oxygen. And the last pair I'm going to make carbon and oxygen share, so that carbon will have 8 electrons and the oxygen will also have 8 electrons.